Take on the challenge of installing shingles like a pro for the very first time. Installing shingles can seem intimidating, but with the right guidance, you can achieve professional-looking results. In this video, we'll be covering the basics of shingle installation, and by the end of it, you'll be equipped with essential tips to tackle your own roofing projects like a pro. Whether you're a homeowner looking to save on repair costs or a DIY enthusiast eager to take on a new challenge, this video is for you. Many homeowners face issues with their roofing, and more often than not, it's due to improperly installed shingles. Leaks, water damage, and costly repairs are just a few of the headaches that come with a poorly done roofing job. I've seen it happen to friends and family, and it's something that can be easily avoided with the right techniques. When shingles aren't installed correctly, it can lead to a whole host of problems, from mold growth to structural damage. The worst part is that these issues can creep up on you slowly, making it difficult to pinpoint the source of the problem. To get started with shingle installation, you'll need a few essential tools, including a roofing nailer, shingle remover, and a ladder. Before you begin, make sure you've cleared the area of any debris and protected your landscaping with tarps. Next, inspect your roof for any damaged or rotten boards and replace them as needed. Once you're ready to start installing shingles, begin at the bottom edge of the roof and work your way up. This will ensure that water runs off easily and doesn't get trapped underneath the shingles. Use a chalk line to mark the area where you'll be installing the first row of shingles, and make sure to leave a small gap between each shingle for expansion. When it comes to actually installing the shingles, make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for nailing patterns and spacing. Use 4 nails per shingle, and drive them in at an angle to prevent water from seeping in. Use a level to ensure your shingles are straight, and overlap each row by about 2 inches. A crucial tip here is to use the right nailing technique. You want to avoid over-nailing, which can damage the shingles, and under-nailing, which can leave them loose. Also, be mindful of the weather conditions. It's best to install shingles on a dry, mild day. One crucial tip that can make all the difference in shingle installation is proper overlapping and nailing techniques. When overlapping shingles, make sure to stagger the joints to prevent water from seeping in. Also, use a roofing nailer to ensure consistent spacing and avoid splitting the shingles. Another trick is to use a bead of roofing cement to seal the edges of the shingles, providing an extra layer of protection against the elements. This simple trick can save you a lot of headaches down the line. Additionally, be sure to inspect your work as you go, checking for any gaps or loose shingles. To achieve a professional finish, take your time and work methodically. Use a ridge cap to cover the peak of the roof and ensure that it's securely fastened. Finally, inspect your work one last time to catch any mistakes. With these tips and a bit of patience, you can achieve a beautiful, long-lasting roof that will protect your home for years to come. So there you have it. With these essential tips and techniques, you can install shingles like a pro. By following these steps and taking the time to do it right, you'll save yourself a lot of money and stress in the long run. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more DIY tips and tricks to help you tackle your home projects like a pro.